Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are going to start the new chapter of your mathematics part 2 which is similarity. So similarity start करने के पहले हम कुछ रूल्स है वो समझ लेते हैं. ओके कुछ फॉर्मूलेज है जो हमने प्रीवियस स्टैंडर्ड में स्टडी किया हुआ है. सो द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल 10th class 10th mathematics part 2, okay, and chapter called chapter first similarity. This similarity. Okay, so in similarity we have to understand some formulas before going to start the chapter. Okay, so the area of triangle equals to, what is area of triangle? It is the half of base into height. Okay, so this formula is going to use in this chapter many times, so you have to remember this formula. Now we will understand the ratio of area of two triangles. So this is the triangle, let this is triangle called A, B and C. It is A, B and C. So in order to identify the area we had to draw the height here. So height must be perpendicular on the base. So this is the height and we have given the name it's as D. So for this triangle the area will be, so the area of given triangle ABC equals to, what is the height? It is AD. So formula is 1 by 2, height is AD into, and base is BC. So height is AD and base is BC. So this is the area formula for the given triangle. Okay. So now we will identify the ratio of area of two triangles. So we have two triangles. It is A, B and C. Or here we can take A, here we have B and here we have C. And it is the height and it is D. This is the first triangle. Now we have another triangle called PQR. It is P, it is Q and it is R, and height of this triangle, for that we have to draw the perpendicular on this line. So it is S and it is of right angle, that is of 90 degree. So we had to identify the ratio of both the triangles. So we know we have to write ratio of, or we can say the ratio of area of triangle ABC. In the ratio we have to write in divide form. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR equals to, what is the formula of area of triangle ABC? It is half of base into height. It is half into, what is base? BC into height is AD divided by, and area of triangle PQR is half into base is PR. So we have to write PR into height is PS. Okay, so half and half will get cancelled. So what will have? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, which is equals to BC into AD divided by PR into PS. Okay, so this is the triangle number 1. So height of AD of triangle 1 is H1 and base is B1. It is the base and it is the height. So for this triangle, this one will be H2, that is height, and base will be B2. Okay, so instead of writing BCAD, we can write H1, H2 and B1, B2, or area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equals to BC. BC is what? B1. So B1 into height is H1. So B1 into H1 divided by, for this, B2 into H2. Okay. So this is the formula, or this is the ratio for the area of two different triangles. So here we can say the area of any two triangle, which is always equals to the product of side, that is the base and height. Okay, so their ratio is always equals to the area of two triangles. Okay, so write down this part. Okay, now we have to look on the condition of what? If condition number 1, condition 1, if two triangles having same height. Condition number 1 says if two triangles having same height, two triangles having same side. So this is the triangle A, B and C, and this is the height H. This is the height H, and it is the base B1 and height is H1. Another triangle we have P, Q and R, and it is the S point. Here it is 90 degree, and it is H2 and it is B2. Okay, the condition says if height of two triangles having, or the two triangles having same height, that means H1 equals to H2. According to the condition, H1 equals to H2. अब H1 equals to H2 है, तो हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? H. हम क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको? H. So only H we can write here. Okay. So अब इनका रेशो क्या हो जाएगा? एरिया का. So we have ratio of area of two triangles having different height, that is B1 H1 divided by B2 H2. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equals to, we have B1 H1 divided by B2 H2. Since we know H1 equals to H2 equals to H, it is according to the given condition. Therefore, we can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equals to B1 into H divided by B2 into H. So H and H will get cancelled. So what we will have now? We will have area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, which is equals to ratio of their bases, that is B1 divided by B2. So we can say if two triangles having same height, then the ratio of their area is always equals to the ratio of their corresponding height. Okay, so here we can say if two triangles having same height, then the ratio of their area is always equals to the ratio of their corresponding base. Okay, so this is the part. Okay, so write down the part. So now next condition. The condition 2 says if two triangles having same base, let one triangle we have A, B, C, and it is a point D which represents height H1. Another triangle we have triangle P, Q, R, and we have drawn S which is the height, that is H2, and this is the base B1 and this is the base B2. Okay, so condition says if two triangles having same base, अगर जब base same होगा then we can write B1 equals to B2 which is equals to B. अब दोनों की base क्या होगा, same होगा, तो height क्या होगी, different होगी. So ratio क्या हो जाएगा, ratio of their triangles. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equals to, it is B1 H1 divided by B2 H2. Since B1 equals to B2 equals to B, according to the condition क्या है, दोनों की base क्या है, same है, तो हम उसको क्या ले लेंगे B. Therefore we can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equals to B1 will become B into H1 divided by B into H2. So again B and B will get cancelled. Therefore we can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equals to H1 divided by H2. Therefore we can say that if the base of two triangles is same, then the ratio of their area which is always equals to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay, so what we can write, if two triangles having same height, then the ratio of their area is always equals to the ratio of their corresponding height. Okay, so this is the part. So till now we have understood the similarity of triangle, then ratio of area of two triangles, and where we have understood two conditions, if the height is same and if for the base is same. Okay, so this is the part for today's session. So tomorrow on next video we will continue with the next part of this chapter. Okay, so write down with neat and clear handwriting. Okay. ओके, सो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।